Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here, and basically what this is a USB to lightning cable. So basically use this to recharge like an iPhone device or any other device that can support the lightning cable. You can definitely use this for that product. If you can see in the back right here to tell you guys some of the specs that's on here, but this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So let's take it out first. So when you guys take it out, they do provide a little thank you card right here. And then right here, we have the actual cable. If you can see, it definitely feels like a high quality cable. You can definitely feel that nylon braided material right here that's super durable and very strong. They do mention that the cable is MFi certified up to the C89 one. But you can see one side right here is USB and the other side right here is the lightning cable. And they also mentioned the cable is super strong. So you actually can support a lot of weight on here. And then for the inner layer, the cable is super strong. They actually have multiple layers inside to give you guys that protection, the fast charging speed, and that durability that's on the product. And they also mentioned how the cable is tangle free as well. So you don't have to worry about the cable tangling all up, which is pretty nice as well. But you can see right here, they provide us this strap option as well to keep everything all organized. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually take off this part right here and this part right here and show you guys how long the cable is first and actually test it out. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see how long the cable is right here. So the one that we got right here is 6.6 feet, so it's actually really long. They do have a shorter option available if you do want a shorter option. But I do recommend people get a longer one because if it's too long, you guys can always tie it back up to make it shorter. Whereas a short one, you guys can actually not make it longer. So it's definitely something to remember when you guys are purchasing any kind of cables. But if you see once we take it out, you can definitely see that it is tangle free. It's not like all tangled up, which is pretty nice. So like I mentioned, for this option right here, when you guys want to put it back together, you just have to go like this. And then use this option right here to keep it all organized. So just like that, if you can see, definitely very nice. But let's test out the cable to see when actually it works. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in my little power bank that we have right here to test it out. Alright, so I'm gonna plug this side in here first. And then the other side, I'm gonna plug it onto my phone. Alright, so you definitely see that actually does work. So when you guys are using cable to recharge the device, in order for you guys to get the fastest charging speed on the cable, your percentages have to be pretty low, so somewhere around like 10%, 20%, or 30%. Basically, the lower the better. Once you reach anywhere from like 70 to 80% or higher, it actually slows down the charge and you cannot get that fast charging speed that I mentioned. So it's definitely something to remember when you guys are purchasing cables. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to get unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually work or not. So for this cable, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality iPhone cable to use to charge like iPhone device or maybe like other device that can support lightning cable, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.